What are like 3 learnings for people who want to start their VC journey, right? Like you grew up the ranks really quickly from a senior analyst to principal to partner, as you mentioned, right? What helped you there? And like if people who watching this who want to enter the VC space, what would you say?
Yeah, I would say write as much as possible. Crypto markets and crypto Twitter and like the broader community is still relatively small. And if you just put good ideas out there, that starts to get a lot of attention. And I think it's sometimes a little bit of a barrier when you start to do that, because you wonder like, well, are my ideas any good? Or,
Yeah.
But I think it's a muscle that you need to train.
Right.
And start putting out content. Reach out to founders. A lot of them are very happy to connect with people. Start working with teams. That's one of the really nice things where you can be an active participant in a community in crypto without necessarily needing to be part of the team. And there's lots of ways to add value in the community. And then reach out to folks like me and others. Always happy to grab a coffee. And when you see open roles, just apply. If you've already published research, that ends up being almost like a standing resume that's public and that people can see. So I think that's really the best route to get started. And then when you do get a role and you get a foot in the door, just work really hard. And I think it shows people that are doing this as a job versus people that find this just genuinely really interesting and are passionate about it, because then it's very easy to work really hard. And that's what it is for me. It's one of those things where like in banking, people work 100 hours a week and they hate their life. I don't know how many hours a week I work, but it's at least something like that, but it's a lot of fun, so it's easy to do it.
Yeah.